When you lay eyes on it, you feel it just has to be yours. But that's only the end of the story. That shoe is the result of a complex and laborious process. Let's go back to the beginning. It all starts with a line. Design and functionality find the perfect balance on paper. The designer draws the lines and chooses colours and materials, bearing in mind the emerging styles and trends. Once the collection has been defined, the lasts on which the shoes will be made need to be manufactured. Manufacturing shoe lasts is a skill passed from generation to generation. A great deal of experience and knowledge of foot anthropometry and ergonomics is necessary to produce a functional, comfortable shoe last. Based on the prototype and using computer programs, the shoe lasts are scaled up and proper duplications are carefully made. These will be the shoe lasts later used during the shoemaking process. The heel is the other main part of the shoe structure. A model is handcrafted from a wooden block. Using the latest technologies, the mould is made which will be used to manufacture the plastic injected heels. These will then be covered with fabric or leather, or tampography will be applied to mimic any texture that the designer might have in mind. Meanwhile, the pattern maker must create a two-dimensional drawing that perfectly fits a three-dimensional last. Several prototypes need to be made and tried out until the perfect patterns are defined. Leather is a highly valuable raw material and is subject to strict quality controls. Therefore, each piece needs to be selected and checked centimetre by centimetre. The pattern maker carries out the grading of the different sizes that will be used during the cutting process. Each type of leather is cut using a different procedure. In some cases, it is die cut or cut using automatic machines. But in others, the cutter's expert hands do the job with the utmost precision. The pieces are sent to the upper stitching section, where more than 100 different processes can take place. The ornaments and accessories, as well as the vamp and lining pieces, are prepared, and everything is stitched until what is known as the shoe upper is achieved. The shoemaker can now start to manufacture the shoe, which undergoes a strictly verified quality control process. The upper is placed on the last, and again it undergoes numerous processes that combine handcrafting tradition with the latest technologies. The toe cap, heel and waist are lasted. Heat is applied and the seams and other parts of the upper are gently hammered so that they fully mould to the last. Any creases and irregularities on the outer side of the insole are smoothed out so that the sole can be fitted, which is machine sewn and for some models hand sewn. In the case of ladies' shoes, the heel is cemented and nailed so that the outsole can be fitted afterwards. With the utmost care and dedication, the shoe slowly takes on its final shape. However, there's still a great deal of work to be done before it's completely finished. Painstakingly, the final touches are applied and the shoes are cleaned and made beautiful. At this stage, the manufacturing process is nearly over. Expert personnel supervise each item down to the last millimetre so that everything is perfect before our shoes are distributed to stores around the world. A passion for quality, excellent craftsmanship and an ongoing search for innovation, fashion, the merit of our design, the personality of our brands and the meticulous care taken over selecting materials mean that in this day and age, Spanish shoes are true objects of desire, displayed in shop windows worldwide.